Today I want to talk about maintenance tips on the Supervac Updraft. We're going to start with daily, weekly, and monthly maintenance tips. First daily maintenance tips is your water filter here. Unscrewing the water filter, you need to check and make sure that the filter is clean. Sometimes by using water, it will get dirty or get pieces of trash in there that will clog up your spray nozzles. There are 3 spray nozzles located on this machine. The first spray nozzle is on your gutter broom, which has got a shutoff valve in order to shut the water off. The second spray nozzle is located on your head here, on your water filter. Also has a shutoff valve. The reason we use shutoff valves, it's pretty much gravity fed. Where you can turn your water off if you just want to use just water inside your hopper, or just water on your head, or just water on your gutter broom. Another maintenance tip on the gutter broom is your spring tension. When the broom wears out, the spring will get loose and you will need to tighten up both springs. Another maintenance tip on the gutter broom is your gutter broom tilt, which will need to be checked from time to time. Gutter broom tilt pattern is located in the manual underneath section 4. The last water system check is located inside the hopper. You have 2 nozzles that you will need to check to make sure that they're spraying, that is knocking down the dust. Another daily maintenance tip is to make sure that your hopper screen is not clogged up and clean. Failure to clean the screen will result in loss of suction and performance. Another daily maintenance tip on the Supervac Updraft is your sweeping head. Each day you will need to check your flaps to make sure there's no hose, rips, or holes in it. The next maintenance tip on the Updraft is greasing or lubricating your intake and fan seal. In order to do this, you must raise the hopper up. Once the hopper is raised, you will need to get the safety chocks, which is located in the toolbox. There are 2 safety chocks that you will need to put in place before inspecting the seal. On the intake and fan seals, you need to be checking for dryness of the seal or any cuts or scrapes. Another daily maintenance tip on the Supervac Updraft is checking the hydraulic fluid. The hydraulic fluid should be at least halfway or higher. Now I have a few weekly maintenance tips for you. One of the tips is weekly is checking your rear flap on your head, which is located right here. We need to make sure that it's touching the asphalt, that you're not losing any suction. Another weekly maintenance tip is greasing the hopper pivot points, which is located in the rear. You have 2 pivot points. Another maintenance tip is the fan belt, which typically stretches from 30 to 75 hours. And there on out will need to be checked monthly for tightness. Another maintenance tip that's usually done monthly is checking the fan liner and the fan for wear. Also, another monthly maintenance tip is greasing the fan bearings, which requires 2 ounces of grease. Over-greasing the fan bearings will cause damage to the bearings and the machine. From the engine standpoint, you will need to check monthly or 250 hours of use on the engine oil, engine air filter, and engine oil filter. I hope you found this video helpful. Please refer back to the maintenance section in the manual for more information.